Problem HTTP error 403 in Python 3 web scraping. I was trying to scrape a website for practice, but I kept on getting the HTTP error 403. Does it think I'm a bot? Here is my code. The error I get is
This is probably because of mod_security or some similar server security feature which blocks known spider bot user agents. Erlib uses something like Python Erlib 3.3.0. It's easily detected. Try setting a known browser user agent with This works for me. By the way, in your code you are missing there after .red in the you'll open line, but I think that it's a typo. Tip: since this is exercise, choose a different, non-restrictive site. Maybe they are blocking Erlib for some reason.
Definitely it's blocking because of your use of Erlib based on the user agent. This same thing is happening to me with author_up. You can create a new class called a perlipinner which overrides the user agent with Mozilla. Source.
This is probably because of mod_security or some similar server security feature which blocks known spider bot user agents. Erlib uses something like Python Erlib 3.3.0. It's easily detected, as already mentioned by Stefano Sanfilippo. The web_byte is a byte object returned by the server and the content type present in web page is mostly F8. Therefore you need to decode web_byte using decode method. This solves complete problem while I was having trying to scrape from a website using PyCharm. P.S. I use Python 3.4.
Based on previous answers, this has worked for me with Python 3.7 by increasing the timeout to 10.
It was optional. Isn't it looking as exciting?